Morning, welcome to day three of the Vince £200 to 10k trading challenge. Obviously, it's Monday morning, so let's get straight into it and look how the trades have done overnight and see if there's been any movement over the weekend. So here we are, Monday morning. Let's see what we are looking at in today's trading. Pound Japan doing really well at the moment. Euro pound sort of floating around break even. Euro Japan for me has fallen massively, but I'm hoping that the Australian government sort it out and we'll see a rebound on that. Euro AUD, pretty much the same story. Euro USD has pulled back a little bit. That was in profit this morning, but should be okay. Something always just to check as well when you come in on a Monday morning and keep an eye during the week is basically just anything that's coming out for the week. So this is just going through and just telling you any major reports that you need to be aware of. Big thing that we're looking at for this week is towards the end of the week, President Draghi of the European Central Bank is talking, and there's talks that he's worried that the euro has climbed too quickly, too high too quickly. So he might try and say something to try and change the value of the euro. Other than that, it's a really, really quiet week in terms of reports. So we'll keep an eye on that during the week. But otherwise, let's just see what the analytics tell us. Just want to bring you to the attention of the Euro USD. As we can see here, in the last, since 11th of August-ish, we've been in this trend line going down. Which has been really respecting this diagonal line quite closely. What we're seeing now is actually a breakout above the diagonal line. So it'll be interesting to see if this is a full breakout and it just continues up, or if we are going to reverse at this point and still head back down. Personally, I think we're probably going to hit the stop loss on this one, but we'll keep following it closely and see how we get on. Now at this point, what I wanted to do was show you Euro USD in like a fast forward chart, so you could sort of see what it was doing and if it was going to bounce off a line and all of that. However, my internet has just stopped working and I've been on the phone for a minute. It's not looking good, so I'm going to have some lunch and I'm going to go to a coffee shop and work from there. So we'll see what on earth has happened to USD, hopefully in a few hours. I was about to leave to a shop and I just thought I'd quickly check, and lo and behold, the internet has returned to my flat, which is great news. So in your absence, or my absence, of the outside world, logged back on to find Euro USD has hit its stop loss, which is quite annoying. However, with every stop provides a new opportunity. So as we can see, this is the level the stop was at, broke that stop, next level was at, broke that level. We've got a diagonal line, it's broken diagonal line. This shows that the trend is quite strong. So we're going to follow this and see where it goes. Basically, I bought into it here. I've set my stop loss just above that as well, just in case. I put in quite a long trade, going back up to pretty much its previous high around 1900 pips, which should get me about £27, just below a 1200 pip movement. So that's what we're aiming for. This trade on its own hopefully will bring me up to 50, because obviously we had the break before, so we're now down to 226 as our total balance. So our Euro Australian trade just hit its stop loss. So in a moment of slight madness, what I've done is killed all my profitable trades to bring us up to a total of £256. The internet has gone down again, so I'm operating off my phone. What I'm planning to do is actually look at the trades that I was following and see if I can get slightly better entry points on them, because the trades themselves were going well. So I just want to see if there's any sort of better entry points I can get, and then go from there really. Probably starting with Euro USD, as it looks to be on an absolute mad charge upwards. So hopefully we can make up some pips there and definitely get to £300 by the end of this week. So I just wanted to check in with you guys at this point. Basically, the trade, well, my internet's been really intermittent, which is very annoying. However, sort of because of my mad dash, we have made it up to, sorry, let me just check on my phone, should start with this. £256.78 is our closing today. So, like I said, the target for this week is 300. We're pretty much on course to do that. I've got a trade going bought into Euro USD, and the only one still left is the Australian Japanese yen trade. So we'll see how they play out overnight and go from there, really. So see you in the morning.